Welcome back to YCfee channel. Today, we will explore a very familiar fruit together, the banana. Bananas are not only an important source of nutrition, but also a symbol of effort and dedication to quality in agriculture. Let's share and learn more about the origin, history, and cultivation process of the banana plant, while also discovering the diverse cuisine that bananas inspire. Let's begin this exciting journey. The banana plant originated in Southeast Asia and has been cultivated for thousands of years. From there, it's spread across tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. Bananas are one of humanity's most important crops, providing essential nutrition and income for many farming communities. The banana plant is a tall herbaceous plant that can grow up to 15 meters. Its large leaves spread out like giant umbrellas, creating a wide, shady canopy. Banana flowers grow in long clusters, each cluster containing many small yellow or pink flowers. After pollination, these flowers develop into bananas, which grow in long, heavy bunches ranging from a few dozen grams to several kilograms. Let's dive into a banana farm in the United States to explore each step of the contemporary agricultural process. 1. Preparing the soil and planting banana seedlings. The process begins with soil preparation and the selection of high-quality banana seedlings. The soil is thoroughly treated to ensure sufficient nutrients and good drainage. The seedlings are carefully chosen from quality stock to ensure high yield and fruit quality. Two, caring for banana plants. Here, you'll see an automated irrigation system controlled by computers, providing the right amount of water to the banana plants. Fertilization is also automated to ensure the plants receive the necessary nutrients to grow robustly and produce sweet, delicious fruit. Additionally, scientific pest control measures are applied to protect plant health and product quality. Three, careful banana harvesting. The banana harvesting process is done carefully to protect each banana from damage and preserve its flavor. Workers are well trained to identify the ideal harvesting time and transport the bananas safely and quickly. Four, packing and transporting bananas. After harvesting, the bananas are brought to high-standard packing facilities for quality inspection and hygienic packaging. The bananas are then transported through a modern logistics system to stores and supermarkets nationwide. This process ensures that bananas reach consumers while retaining their quality, flavor, and nutritional value. This journey is an interesting and educational experience to understand the modern banana production process in the USA. We hope you have memorable experiences and understand the importance of maintaining quality and sustainability in agriculture. Next, let's explore how these bananas are transformed once they reach consumers. Bananas are not just for eating raw, but are also a versatile ingredient in various dishes, from main courses to desserts and snacks. Main courses: banana stir-fry. Ripe bananas are sliced and stir-fried with beef or chicken and vegetables, creating a rich and nutritious dish. Banana-wrapped meat. Bananas are cut into appropriate pieces, wrapped in meat, and then fried until crispy. This dish is enjoyed with sweet and sour fish sauce and fresh herbs. Desserts: grilled bananas, one of the most popular desserts. Ripe bananas are cut into segments, coated with honey or chocolate, and then grilled until golden. This dish is often served with vanilla or chocolate ice cream. Honey-soaked bananas, another delicious choice for an afternoon snack. Ripe bananas are sliced and soaked in honey, typically served with cream or fresh milk to cool down. Snacks and creative dishes. Crispy fried bananas, a quick and light snack. Ripe bananas are sliced, dipped in batter, and fried until golden. This snack is often enjoyed with mayonnaise or sweet and sour sauce. Banana fritters, a fun snack option. Mashed ripe bananas mixed with batter are fried until golden. This dish is usually enjoyed with honey or brown sugar. With its versatility and convenience, bananas are not just a common fruit, but also a creative ingredient in cuisine. Whether it's a main course, dessert, or snack, bananas add richness and a unique flavor to any meal, catering to a variety of tastes. Bananas play an important role in human nutrition, providing significant benefits. Firstly, bananas are an energy source with sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, helping maintain strength and physical activity. They are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C helps maintain the immune system and skin health, while vitamin B6 supports protein metabolism. Additionally, bananas contain potassium and magnesium, crucial for bodily functions. Their high fiber content improves digestive health and maintains a healthy gut. Bananas can be used in various dishes like smoothies, salads, or cakes, adding convenience and diversity to daily nutrition. Banana production and consumption in the USA play a vital role in agriculture and food. Annually, the USA produces about 2.7 million tons of bananas, mainly in states like Florida and Hawaii. On average, each American consumes about 12 kilograms of bananas, making them one of the most popular fruits. The demand is primarily met through imports from countries like Ecuador, Costa Rica, Colombia, and the Philippines. Popular varieties include Gros Michel historically and Cavendish, including standard Cavendish and variations like Blue Cavendish, as well as red bananas. This highlights the importance of bananas not only in agriculture, but also in daily diets across the USA. Bananas are not just a familiar fruit, but a symbol of effort and quality in agriculture. Understanding the origin, history, and cultivation process of the banana plant helps us appreciate its nutritional value and importance in daily life, supporting sustainable agricultural development worldwide. If you found this video interesting and useful, please leave your comments, like, and share to spread this valuable information about bananas to more people. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss the latest videos from YCfee channel. See you in the next videos.